Hi folks, we really thank you for your continued support and sharing of our videos and posts with others professionals by liking, sharing and asking for the same. You know, we keep participating in global professional offerings of Six Sigma and other as quality systems. And based upon your feedback, BIETS Centre of Excellence has also arranged a training course in this summer camp on Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt. While there are so many confusions about Lean Six Sigma, I will make it pretty simple for you to decide who should take this course. If you are a project manager, you can use Lean Six Sigma methodology in a project. If you are a quality professional, you can use Lean Six Sigma to implement a system or a process using the metrics. Even as an executive, you may choose a Lean Six Sigma as a quality and management system in your organization. As production or operations manager in manufacturing or in service such as healthcare, hospitality, education, information technology, in corporate or public sector, you have always a seat with us in this foundation course. We'll discuss how Lean Six Sigma made its way to the organizations as a philosophy, system, and metrics, and you could always relate it to your workplace. How different roles in the organization should perceive Lean Six Sigma, and why organization-wide commitment is essential. And it is to answer what is in it for me. What are the methodologies under Six Sigma, and what are the different belts and which one you should think about in your current and future professional roles. How the projects and processes should be selected for applying Lean Six Sigma methods, and how the team should work in coherence to cultivate the ultimate benefits. And we'll discuss the methods, tools, and gadgets that can be used in all the phases of Lean Six Sigma, and undertake activities to develop skills so that you could be confident in order to apply these on your workplace in the current role or future potential roles. We'll also examine and learn how these tools should be selected in different phases, discussing Lean and its application as well as its combination with Six Sigma tools is a major focus in this course. Lean Six Sigma involves stuff from statistics. If you are new to stats or it's been washed away from your memory, don't worry. We'll also have some refresher to prepare you to apply statistics under Lean Six Sigma methodologies. We'll also discuss how Six Sigma application varies for the current processes to the new processes and the projects. Highly significant point is the working of a professional team to meet the ultimate objectives. We'll also share some tips if you are planning to undertake certification exams such as American Society for Quality ASQ in the near future. Please complete your registration on the link given on the social media handles of BIETS Centre of Excellence, and reach us for queries on biets.services@gmail.com. We look forward to meet you all in the virtual classes coming up in the summer camp. Thank you very much for your time and attention.